Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1¼ cups of mashed bananas to a large mixing bowl. Then add 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt adds protein, calcium, moistness, and a mild tangy flavor to the banana bread. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil such as canola oil or corn oil to the bowl. Then add 2 lightly beaten eggs. Add 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Stir the ingredients with a large spoon until they are completely mixed. After mixing completely, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then stir the ingredients until the batter is completely mixed. Optional step. After mixing the batter, stir in 1 cup of chocolate chips or chopped walnuts. Pour the batter into a 9 by 5-inch non-stick or greased bread pan. Place the pan in your oven and bake for 65 to 70 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. When done, remove the pan from the oven and let the banana bread cool inside the pan for 10 minutes. Then remove the banana bread from the pan and let it cool down for 1 to 2 hours. After the banana bread is cooled, slice it and enjoy. What is your favorite thing to add to banana bread? Chocolate chips? Nuts? Fruit? Please leave a comment below.